Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you need to connect your Apptivo account with Slack? This guide will help you to integrate your CRM with Slack for enhanced team communication and collaboration. Follow these steps to connect Apptivo with Slack. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first, let's give a quick introduction. Apptivo is a powerful business management software that helps you handle CRM, project management, and more. And the other side, Slack on is basically an excellent tool for team communication and collaboration. By connecting the two, you can streamline your workflows and improve efficiency. So before we start with this integration, make sure you have admin access to both. So go to your Apptivo account and simply guys, what you need to do is connect to it and make sure that you are an admin in your accounts. The same thing has to be happened on Slack. So you need also to have an install Slack account. That's varies a lot. And basically check your Slack account activities. So as you can see here, I am now on my Apptivo account. So I'm simply going to actually check that I'm admin. Basically, I know that I'm admin, so I'm not going to do that. And the next thing is to go ahead and open Slack. And so let's go ahead and open Slack. Let's go like that. Let's go to Slack. And here I'm simply going to reload. Maybe I'm gonna close this. Let's try to manage the tools or refresh. Yeah, something wrong with it, so I'm gonna just open it like in incognito Slack. Yeah, this one works. So you have to sign into your Slack account. Well, basically it is necessary that you sign into your Slack account and you create a workspace. Otherwise, this will not be very helpful. So here I am now. I have opened my Slack account and I have this tutorial thing, which I am the only member. So I am basically the admin of this room. So what you'll have to do once you have opened it, basically just run it. They will ask you either you want to open it as a web application or as an application on your PC. I just chose this one, and here you'll find a couple of apps that you can literally integrate with your Slack account. So if you search here for Apptivo, you will be able to actually find it. So what you have to do is to simply click on add, and once you have done that, it will take you to Slack app directory. In this area, you will have this description that explains exactly Apptivo and what are the key features of connecting both. So let's go ahead. So as you can see here, there is this description about Apptivo, or basic introduction. So Apptivo is a web-based online office suite which offers you everything in one cloud solution. It is an enterprise resource planning software designed to help both small businesses and large enterprises to thrive successfully. Like never before, the organizations need to expertly oversee their prospects, opportunities, and existing customers with utmost care. Apptivo comes with a ton of features which lets you customize, control, and share data across one platform with ease. So here we have the key features: lead capturing and Salesforce automation, customer and contact management, email tracking, managing activities, customization, conversion and integration, Gantt chart, milestone and time tracking, ticket tracking system. Now, why people love Apptivo? This is basically like something that they said. This is like review of people, so I'm literally blown away. This is the answer we've all been looking for. We will look at many CRM solutions and none of them was as fast as easy. So now the Slack integration with Apptivo: configure Slack, add your team and channels, choose where you'd like your notification to appear. And once you have successfully integrated Apptivo with Slack, you can receive instant newsfeed updates in your Slack channel. Besides instant notifications, one can have lively conversations using the Slack messaging service. This in turn keeps the team up to date, reducing the necessity of written lengthy mails and scheduling meetings. So these are basically the important things about that. So let's go ahead and add it. There we go. So now they have taken us here. So how can I configure the Slack integration in Apptivo? Slack is cloud-based workspace. Let's just ignore everything here. As you can see, steps to integrate Slack with Apptivo. Log into Apptivo, click Preferences, Services, and Slack. Let's go ahead. And yeah, let's go here, Services, and then click on Slack. Click on Enable, click on Add to Slack. As you can see here, we are simply just like that, we have added Apptivo with Slack. We have to configure a couple of things more. So what will Apptivo be able to view? Okay, that's no problem. Let's choose this, and that's perfect. Let's allow it, and that's all we need to do. So now they give us a couple of information like Slack user ID, Slack team name, channel name, and all of that. Now, if you went here and clicked on Slack again, they will give you the same things. If you want to Apptivo main page, let me just click on home page. I could go just like that, I think. All right, log in. So now when you have, for example, contacts or emails or anything stored in here, you can literally have next to it your Slack icon, and you can connect them together. So you can see here more depth details about it. So as you can see, and now see in actions, by default the events will not be posted as Slack messages to our channel. For the news feed to get displayed in the Slack, we need to enable the respective Slack feed from the notification tabs. For instance, go to the Leads app, click on more, icon notification. Here enable the toggle corresponding to the event for which you would like to get news feed updates in the Slack channel, as you can see in the picture right here. Then perform a sales activity in your Apptivo firm. Say create and assign a lead to one of your employees, for example here Helena David, which is our employee, and then thus you can stay connected with instant notifications and messages across your team. Here it is the results. So now everything that you will be doing in Apptivo, you can actually now receive it as chat messages in your workspace that you have created. As long as this button is basically turned on in the services, always you will receive everything that you are creating in Apptivo as news, and you will never now lose anything of these affirmations. So you'll be always good to go, ready to go without any mistakes or problems. And yeah, let's do a quick recap before we finish with this video, guys. So to connect Apptivo with Slack, first of all you have to own your Slack account and your Apptivo account. Both of them have to be an admin, so don't get as an organization member, you have to be an organization or workspace admin. Once you have done that, you should go to your Apptivo account, go to preferences. Once you've done that, also go to services right here and choose Slack. It will not be like that, it should be something turned off. So what you should do next is to go to your Slack account, and from there you should go to apps, add app, and search for Apptivo. Once you do that, you should click on add Apptivo. Let me just search for it real quick. Click on add. They will take you here, which you will be able to basically click on in here. It will give you, like, instead of learn more, you will see here download now. So click on it, and that will really take you here, which will be allowing you to update your Slack information, and will leave you to enable it. And just like that, you have enabled the integration between Apptivo and Slack. And yeah, guys, that was basically it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe to our channel. If there is any problems or mistakes that you want us to cover in the next video, make sure to let me know in the description, or basically in the comments section. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorials.